3-4 म्हयनेच उरल्या इलेक्शनाक. त्या टायमार सडनली this political activity with Trinamool Congress भितर सरपाक, where there is no presence, raises grave doubts. म्हळ्यार आतां जे आमी पळयता आमकां हातून खुबसो डावट लागता, स्पेशली जेन्ना आमकां गरज आसा that there has to be a united opposition. त्या टायमारूच आमी पळयता की ऑपोजिशन इज जस्ट ब्रेकिंग अपार्ट. 4 वर्सां जाली एज गोंयचो आवाज आमी फुडें सरले, लोकांक आपयले, युथांक आपयले, सगळो लोक रस्त्यार आयलो. कित्याक इन अ डेमोक्रेसी opposition party is supposed to be the voice of Goa, the voice of people. कोंकणीन गोंयचो आवाज म्हणटा पळय तो. आनी जेन्ना ऑपोजिशन वेर सिनियर लिडर लायक लुइजीन फालेरो वॉज पार्ट ऑफ दॅट ऑपोजिशन, ताणें आवाज करूंक ना म्हूण लोकांक गोंयचो आवाज जावचो पडलो आनी आमकां रस्त्यार येवचें पडलें. दॅट वॉज द टायम वी एक्सपेक्टेड पीपल लायक मिस्टर लुइजीन फालेरो टू हॅव फेल्ट ह्युमिलेटेड. We felt humiliated by the government action and we came on the streets. But तेन्ना आमकां दिसता बाब लुइजीन फालेराक ह्युमिलेशन जावंक ना म्हूण आमकां डावट लागता. जेन्ना 10 MLA डिफेक्ट जाले and most of them were hand picked, I believe, by बाब लुइजीन फालेरो, तेन्ना ताका ह्युमिलेशन जावंक ना, ह्या खातीर आमकां डावट लागता. इज इट सिलेक्टिव ह्युमिलेशन, पर्सनल ह्युमिलेशन? इज देर नो ह्युमिलेशन when it comes to the destruction of Goa? आमी एज गोंयचो आवाज वी आर एडवायझिंग द पीपल, आमी रेडी रावया. हांगा ही सर्कस चालू जातली, आनीकूय प्लेयर येतले. म्हळ्यार आश्वासन दिता आमी लोकांक, as the people of Goa, let us remain united. Parties will come, leaders will come, money will come, black money will come. Let us not fall prey to all these activities.
बारीक पळोवपाक गेल्यार तेंच्यांनी आपल्या राज्यांनी रिजनल फोर्सीस जाय म्हणून प्रचार केल्लो इलेक्शनाक. तुमकां जर सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें जाल्यार मागीर गोंयांत येतो कोणी ते रिजनल फोर्सांक कित्याक प्रोत्साहन दिनात? तर तुमच्या राज्यांनी तुमकां रिजनल फोर्सीस जाय कित्याक तुमकां दिसता की रिजनल फोर्सीस नोज बेटर अबाउट देयर लँड, अबाउट देयर स्टेट. आनी गोंयांत येतो कोणी तुमचे खंय हालता? तर हांव गोंयच्या लोकांक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगूंक सोदता की ह्यो ज्यो नवीन नवीन पार्ट्यो ज्यो सद्या आतां गोंयांत येता इलेक्शनां लडपाक, तेंच्यांनी गोंयाक लॅबोरेटरी मायज केल्लेले आहा. फक्त एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करपाक येतात ती हांगासर. तुमचो विचार तुमच्या जाग्यार बरोबर आसा, पूण आमचें म्हणणें कितें? तुमी आमचो बळी दितात तेजें कितें? तुमी गोंयचो आनी गोंयकारांचो बळी दिवन आपलो स्वार्थ साध्य करपाक सोदता. आनी दुख्खाची गोश्ट आमचे थोडे विभीषण तेंच्या वांगडा मेळटा.
Yes, today we have a new entrant, the TMC, who is coming to Goa. Just as we explained, there is no problem in democracy for somebody to come and contest. It's fine. But what is the intention of the contesting should be known to everybody, and that is where there is a huge danger. We have one common enemy. Everyone knows the name of that enemy. And that enemy today is very scared in Goa because they know the misery they have put the people in. Whether it comes to our regular petrol, whether it comes to gas, whether it has come to demonetization, whether it is taxes, whether it is policies, whether it is Bhumiputra bill, whether it is our land, whether it is our natural beauty, whether it is sex, whether it is drugs, they have put us in trouble in every possible field. There is nothing that has not been destroyed by them. And that is why they are 100% sure that they know that they are not going to come in power. This raises the doubt among the people of Goa, for which we are voicing out today, whether these parties who are coming here to contest are really interested in saving that small Goa for Goa and for themselves, or are they coming here to fulfill the dreams of the common enemy? That through our sources we have also come to know that there is one mastermind behind all this who is controlling this entire circus. In legal terms or in the circus terms, he is known as a ring master, and he is sitting in this very area that we are sitting. This ring master shows that he is going to control opposition, but sorry to say, he has been given the task to form this opposition to become a big failure for Goa and for the Goans, just as he has been doing in the last few years.